Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by making sure your car supports Carplay and your iPhone is updated. This avoids compatibility hiccups. Next, install or update YouTube Music and sign in so your library and downloads are ready. Then plug in with a certified USB cable or enable wireless CarPlay in both car and phone. Unlock your iPhone when prompted and grant permissions. Once done, the YouTube Music icon should appear on the CarPlay screen, ready for selection. Now you'll open YouTube Music from the CarPlay home screen and allow any requested media permissions so controls work smoothly. Then choose between streaming and offline content. Downloads reduce buffering, which is useful when driving through low-signal zones. Make sure the car's audio source is set to CarPlay and calibrate volume using both phone and vehicle knobs for consistent levels. As you drive, use voice commands or CarPlay touch controls to finish by verifying wireless CarPlay settings if you're not using a cable. Ensure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are active and the car is paired. If the app freezes or disconnects, restart YouTube Music or reboot your iPhone, and then toggle CarPlay in settings to re-establish the link. Make sure the audio source on the stereo is set to CarPlay and test with another cable if using USB. If playback still fails, grant app permissions and reinstall YouTube Music. This usually fixes persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.